Hello guys, welcome to Classes of Breath. Today we will study reminder theorem and factor theorem. Okay, let's start. First, if x plus alpha is a factor of f of x, then f of x equals to 0. If x minus alpha is a factor of f of x, then f of minus alpha equals to 0. If ax minus b is a factor of f of x, then f of b by a equals to 0. See here, x plus alpha, this one, x plus alpha equals to 0, then alpha equals x equals to plus sign becomes minus sign when it goes another side of equals to, that is minus alpha. So f of x equals to minus alpha, means x equals to minus alpha. So we will put minus alpha when we will solve the sum. Okay, so let's see these problems. First, using remainder theorem, find the remainder when. First is f of x equals to 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is divided by x minus 2. So we have read that x minus 2 equals to 0, then x equals to 2. Minus sign will change to plus sign when it goes another side of equals to. So x equals to 2. So f of x equals to 3x of whole square minus 5x plus 7. So f of 2 equals to 3x. In place of x there will be 3 into 2 of whole square minus 5 into 2 plus 7. So f of 2 equals to 3 to the 6 of whole square minus 5 to the 10 plus 7. Then f of 2 equals to 6 6 36 minus 10 plus 7. So f of 2 equals to 36 minus 10, that is 26 plus 7. So f of 2 equals to 26 plus 7, that is 33. So the remainder is 33. Okay, let's solve next problem. F of x equals to 8x square minus 2x minus 15 is divided by 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 equals to 0. This implies 2x equals to minus 3, plus sign will changes to minus sign. So x equals to minus 3 by 2. So f of x equals to 8x square minus 2x minus 15. So f of minus 3 by 2 equals to 8 into, in x place we will write minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 of whole square minus 2 into minus 3 by 2 minus 15. So f of minus 3 by 2 equals to 8 into minus sign, minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2, that is minus minus, so 3 by 2 to the 4. Okay, minus minus plus, so nothing here. So minus 2 into minus 3 by 2 minus 15. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So f of minus 3 by 2 equals to 9 twos are 18 minus minus plus 3 minus 15. So f of minus by 2 equals to 18 plus 3 minus 15. F of minus 3 by 2 equals to 6. 21 minus 15 equals to 6. So the remainder is 6. Next sum. Let's solve next. if the polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 2x plus a leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 2, find the value of a. Also find the remainder in each case. So here is when that these two polynomials leaves the same remainder, means f of x equals to g of x. Okay, so let consider f of x equals to 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5. Okay, and f g of x equals to x cube plus x square minus 2x plus a. Okay, so f of x equals to g of x, that means 2, we will write f of x, this is x minus 2, so x minus 2 equals to 0, is equals to 2. So f of 2 is to 2 into 2 to the power 3 plus into 2 to the power 2 plus 3 into 2 minus g of x equals to 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 2 minus 2 into 2 plus a. Okay, so f of 2 equals to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 plus 2 to the 4, 4 into a, that is 4a, plus 3 to the 6 minus 5. So g of x equals to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 2 to the 4 minus 2 to the 4 plus a. F of 2 equals to 16 plus 6, that is your 22, 22 minus 5, that is 17. Okay, then 17, f of 2 equals to 17 plus 4a, this 4a. G of x equals to plus 4 minus 4, it will cut down. Okay, so 8 plus a. We have considered f of x equals to g of x. So f of x means f of 2 equals to g of 2, that is 17 plus 4a equals to 8 plus a, that is 4a minus a. This we will take here before equals to sign. Okay, 4a plus sign will convert to minus sign. Minus a equals to 8. This 17 we will take to this side, that will minus 17. Okay, so 4a minus a, that is 3a equals to 8 minus 17 minus 9. So a equals to minus 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. So a equals to minus 3. We have taken out the a's value. A value is minus 3. Okay, so then given, also find the remainder in each case. So f of x equals to, in place of x we will write 2. Okay, f of 2 equals to, that is 17 plus 4a. Okay, so equals to 17 plus 4, a we have minus 3, so equals to 17 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 12 plus minus minus 12, so equals to 17 plus minus minus 12 equals to, that will come 5. 17 minus 12, that is 5. Okay, so f of g of 2 equals to 8 plus a, 8 plus a, then equals to 8 plus a is minus 3, so minus 3 equals to 8 plus minus minus 3, so equals to 5. So f of 2 equals to g of 2. Okay, leaves the same remainder, that is 5. So next sum is show that x minus 3 is a factor, and show that x minus 3 is a factor of x cube plus x square minus 17x plus 15 by using factor theorem. Now we have to show this by factor theorem. So let's do x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, x equals to 3. Okay, f of x equals to x cube plus x square minus 17x plus 15. So f of 3 equals to 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 2 minus 17 into 3 plus 15. So f of 3 equals to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 3 3s are 9 minus 17 3s are 51 plus 15. So f of 3 equals to 27 plus 9, that is your, so 27 plus 9, it will be your 36 minus 51 plus 15. So f of 3 equals to 36 minus 51, that is minus 15 plus 15. So f of 3 equals to minus 15 plus 15 equals to 0. This proves that, this shows that x minus 3 is a factor of x cube plus x square minus 17x plus 15. Okay, let's solve next problem. Fifth, so that x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube minus 3x square minus 11x plus 6, and hence factorize it completely. Now here we have to factor it completely. So let's start. First, x minus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to 3. So f of x equals to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 11x plus 6. Then f of minus 3 equals to, not minus, that is plus, f of plus 3 equals to 2 3 of whole cube minus 3 into 3 of whole square minus 11 into 3 plus 6. So f of 3 equals to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 2 into 27 minus 3 3s are 9, 3 into 9 minus 11 3s are 33 plus 6. So f of 3 equals to, f of 3 equals 27 into 2 equals to your 54 minus 9 3s are 27 minus 33 plus 6. So f of 3 equals to 54 minus 27, that is your 27 minus 33 plus 6. So f of 3 equals to 27 minus 33, that is your minus 6 plus 6. So f of 3 equals to 0. We have shown, proved it. We have proved that it is a factor of 2x cube minus 3x square minus 11x plus 6. Now we have to factorize it completely. Okay, we will factorize it by solving this. See here, we will divide it by x minus 3, 2x cube minus 3x square minus 11x plus 6. Okay, so x minus 3, we will multiply with this x minus 3, that it will come 2x cube, that is your 2x square. Am I right? 2x square. So 2x square into x equals to 2x cube. So 2x square into 3, 3 to just 6, that is minus 6x square. Okay, here we will do plus, so minus sign is there, so plus minus 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 plus minus, so plus 3x square minus 11x. Okay, so what we will multiply with this? to come 3x, 3x square, that is your 3x. Am I right? So plus 3x, so it will come 3x square minus 3 3s are 9, 9x minus plus minus 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 plus minus, so minus 2x plus 6. So here we will multiply minus 2, so minus 2 minus, here we will also come minus 2x, ठीक है, minus minus plus 3 2 जा 6, so plus minus cut 0, so our polynomial is 2x square plus 3x minus 2, so 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So we will factorize it by 2 2s are 4. So what we will do to divide it, to make two more numbers like this. So 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So 4 1s are 4. So 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2. See, 4 into 1, that will be 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So 4 1s are 4. Plus minus minus 4x minus x, that will be 3x. So it is matching with that. Okay, so 2x, we will take out 2x, x plus 2 minus x plus 2 equals to 0. So x plus 2 and 2x minus 1. So the factors are, x minus 3, x plus 2 and 2x minus 1. This is called that to factorize it completely. Okay, let's solve one more. X cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 15. Factorize it using factor theorem. Here we have to take out number by ourselves. What will be divided by this? To prove this, the number should be 0 after putting here. So let's solve. Okay, let's see. First we will do with 1. See, 1 f of 1 equals to x cube 1 of whole cube plus 7 into 1 of whole square plus 7 into 1 minus 15 equals to 1 plus 7 into 1 plus 7 into 1 minus 15, so equals to 1 plus 7 minus 15, that is 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 7 plus 15 minus 15 equals to 0, means 1 is a x minus 1 here. 1 we have taken, so x minus 1 equals to 0, that's why it comes x equals to 1. So x minus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 15. Okay, let's factorize it completely. X minus 1. Okay, x cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 15. This is cube. Okay, so what we will multiply? X square. Okay, so x square minus x square minus plus, this will x cube plus minus minus plus plus plus, that will be 8x square plus 7x. So plus 8x we will multiply with this, so 8x square plus 8 1s are 8, that will minus 8x minus plus minus minus plus 8 plus 7, that will be 15x minus 15. Okay, so what we will do? Plus 15 here. Now we will add plus 15, 15x plus minus minus 15 plus here minus, here plus, cut down. So x square plus 8x plus 15 equals to 0. Okay. So first see the factors of 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. So 3 5s are 15 is suitable. See, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 plus 3, 8. So x square plus 3x plus 5x plus 15 equals to 0. So x is common here, so x plus 3 plus 5 is common here, x plus 3 equals to 0. X plus 3 and x plus 5 equals to 0. So the factors are x minus 1, x plus 3 and x plus 5. Okay, so thank you guys. I have also made 2 videos on section and first video on banking and second video on section and midpoint formula. I have provided the link below in the description box. You can see there. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any problem, you can tell me in the comment box. Thank you.